I want to show y'all how I started making better food choices. One step at a time. We don't know all, but we can try to learn each day. So this is Solid Seed Tails. I think it's a company, and this is Bumblebee. Like the Bumblebee is well known, and the Star Kiss for tuna is well known, but both of them are tuna, and as you can see, both of them are wild caught albacore tuna, so it's a kind of tuna. But when you turn for the nutritional fats, so this is where we need to be looking, even though it takes time, but our health is precious enough to give this time. So for the Bumblebee, which is a well-known tuna company, you see it has 130 calories. That's where I used to look first for calories. But that's not all. You need to look more in depth. This is 140 calories. You'll be like, oh, that's 10 calories more than this one. So let me get this one. But look at when you go in depth, when you look at the nutrition fat, look at the total fat in this one is 0.5 grams, and the total fat in this one is 1 gram. So the fat in the 130 calories is a little bit more than the one in the 140 calories. And look at the protein content. Protein is 29 grams in the Bumblebee. Protein in this one is 33 grams, so it's more, and you need more protein. Look at the sodium content in this one, 135 milligrams. The less sodium, the better. And look at the sodium content in this. Where's the sodium? The sodium content is 280. So this is even more sodium than this.